Hello guys, and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to permanently turn off real-time protection on Windows 10 and 11. Disabling Microsoft Defender antivirus involves turning off real-time protection and tamper protection, so follow these steps. 1. Open the Start menu, then type Windows Security in the search bar, then press Enter. In the search bar or Windows Security app, click on the Virus and Threat Protection in the left sidebar. Under the Virus and Threat Protection settings, click Manage Settings. Find the Real-Time Protection toggle and switch it off. When the User Account Control or UAC prompt appears, click Yes to confirm. Scroll down to the Tamper Protection toggle and switch it off, then click Yes on prompt by UAC. Just note that disabling these protections leaves your system vulnerable to malware and other threats. Ensure you have an alternative antivirus solution installed, and Windows may re-enable these protections automatically during updates. Check the settings periodically if you want them disabled permanently. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.